Hey everybody, Alan Butler, Butler Contracting here. Today we're going to answer a question we get asked a lot. Should I stain my fence? So sit back, relax, and we're going to dive into staining and what that world offers. So, should you stain your fence? That's a great question. And my answer is yes. From a fence professional and a fence installer, I would definitely recommend staining your fence. And here's the reasons why. Once we come in, put your fence in or install your fence, a wooden fence, for example, privacy fence, we're putting that up, whether it's using treated wood or cedar wood. Now that particular material is exposed to the elements, and it's just going to do whatever that natural process is going to be, whether it's graying or degrading those pickets or warping or drying and cracking and splitting. Without your fence being protected and sealed from the elements, weather, wind, all the different things that can take place out in the elements, UV light from the sun taking place on it. If you don't stain, seal, and protect your fence long term, you will start to have issues with it. So we always recommend using a deep oil-based penetrating stain. Well, that's very specific, and you probably wonder what the heck all that means. So that's all right. We're here to tell you. So how that works is we use what's called a deep oil-based penetrating stain. There's lots of stains and options on the market. There's different types of oil-based stains on the market. There's latex style and acrylic style stains. There's solid stains that look more like paint. So what we've learned and what we've found over time is there's specific types of stains that work well for our weather environments here in Central Texas. And we've actually we've researched literature from Texas A&M University, who's done lots of different building preservation projects for historical buildings in the state of Texas, and they suggest using deep oil-based penetrating stains. So that's what we use on our fences because that's what protects and seals the wood in our area based on the climate and the environment that we live. Now, if you start using some of these latex or acrylic-based or solids type stains, they're good products. They tend to last a little bit longer lifespan-wise, and you might get more in the 5 to 7 years of life out of a solid style stain. The challenges and issues we've learned and seen over time, though, is it coats the entire outside of that board with that kind of that envelope. It's kind of like putting a latex glove on from the doctor's office, and over time, you get a lot of condensation, sweat built up inside that glove. And the same exact thing's happening on that board. It's basically wrapping that entire piece of wood and a piece of acrylic or latex. All that moisture and humidity and condensation and everything's taking place in that piece of wood. And then generally the very bottom of that fence picket is never sealed. So all that moisture is wicking up in there, like the videos we've done before, like a straw. It's getting a lot of moisture up from the bottom into that thing. It's locking all that moisture in there and it just can't breathe. And what ends up happening long term is carpenter ants or wood destroying insects move in. The wood itself is starting to decay from the inside out and rot out from the inside out. And after about 5 to 7, 8 years of that going on, you start to see the wood fail. It's rotten. It needs to be replaced. So the oil-based penetrating stain is better because it soaks through and bleeds into the wood all the way through. If you actually stain one side of the fence, you can go on the other side of the fence and actually see it coming through the pores of the wood. So it's sealing the entire board itself from the inside out, which is great, and it protects it a lot longer. You may have to reapplicate that particular type of stain every 2 to 3 years or so, but it's because it's just going to get faded in the UV light more. It's just the nature of the product, but it's actually going to seal and protect the inside of the board much better versus it being a topical coating. It's getting into the pores and inside the wood itself. So we do recommend staining your fence. If it's a newer fence, for example, like a cedar style fence, we definitely recommend staining it or sealing it either right away when it's installed. If it's a treated style fence, you're gonna have to wait about a month or so, maybe a little bit longer for that treated lumber to dry out, just because it has chemicals in it and there's a lot of moisture in that wood. So you want it to dry out for a period of time. Depending on the weather environment, it could take longer than a month. It depends on the seasonal time of the year as well when that fence is built. But we always recommend staining and sealing it within the first year of installation. That just helps make sure that piece of wood is protected long term. So that's a little bit about staining and sealing fences and how it all works, and probably more physics and anything you ever wanted to know about staining. But there it is. You can make the best decisions and options for you, and we'll see you on your next project.